This pattern is worked diagonally. You can use a tapered diagonal start, or you can go straight into your pattern and taper at the end if you prefer. This is a 2-row repeat pattern, so I'm using an odd number of threads, and I want to point out that you'll get a different result if you use an even number of threads with this pattern. For row 1, you want to do all forward knots starting at the left and working to the right. For row 2, you want to do all backward knots from left to right. And you want to repeat these 2 rows all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it.
I've been stuck, now it feels like for ages. It's hard living these days. All the choices from the global solutions, driving away from all the institutions. I've seen it on TV, heard it on the radio. They all need to stop. The rules of the new generation, passing on nation to nation. You can't stop the new sensation. It's like the globalization.
And once you finish, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've finished with a braided tie-on at each end, but you could use whichever fastening you prefer. And that is your completed friendship bracelet.